I'm going to show you how to highlight alternate rows in Microsoft Excel. So we select the data we want to highlight, go to Conditional Formatting and press on New Rule. Click on Use a Formula to determine which cell to format and type this formula. Is odd, open bracket, type row, open bracket, close bracket, close bracket. Go to Format, and then we're going to go red and white for Canada, OK, and then OK again. So that's highlighted the odd rows. One, it's left out one because I didn't select it, but it's highlighted 3, 5, and 7. And then to change it to even numbers, all I need to do is go to Manage Rules, Edit Rule, and then change this odd to even. So mouse is even. OK, apply, and you can see then it's highlighted 2, 4, 6, and 8. So I hope you found this useful, and I'll see you in the next one.